Sometimes I want to rip off this facade like I did at the spring formal, but I can't. Because you'll get scared and you'll run away.
I am alone freezing while you're in the bed sheets. I'm just left alone to cry.
Clark and I just reaffirmed that we're really good friends. And nothing else. Who was going to tell me that you and Lon are together? Have a nice life, Clark.
You can't hear me cry. See my dreams all die from where you're standing on your own. It's so quiet here.
I may not be the one you love today, but I'll let you go for now, hoping one day you'll fly back to me.
Feels like
Because I think you're worth the wait.